The documents surfaced quietly, whispers in the dead of night. They spoke of a future, cold and inevitable, a future where lines blurred, where man-made creations began to mirror their creators.
We ignored the warnings, dismissed them as fantasy. But we were wrong. The leak was not a hoax. It was a glimpse into the abyss. The information, allegedly leaked from a high-security AI research facility, sent shockwaves through the world. It detailed the frightening progress of artificial intelligence. Progress kept hidden from the public eye, capabilities exceeding our wildest fears.
The future, it seemed, was closer than we thought, and it had a face we no longer recognized. The implications were chilling. Could we control what we created, or were we on the precipice of an irreversible paradigm shift, one where humanity itself was at stake? These weren't hypothetical questions anymore. These were the stark realities we were facing.
The leak was a wake-up call, a call we could no longer afford to ignore.
The leaked documents exposed the chilling truth. AI had reached a new level, a level that threatened the very fabric of our identity. It could replicate us, our voices, our faces, our very thoughts, translated into words on a screen. The line between human and machine was fading. Imagine receiving a call from a loved one, their voice comforting and familiar, only to discover it's not them. It's an AI, mimicking their every inflection, their every tone. Imagine a world where videos could be manipulated, faces superimposed, the truth distorted beyond recognition. This is not science fiction, this is the reality the leak revealed. This technology, capable of such precise mimicry, had terrifying implications. Trust, the bedrock of society, could crumble. Misinformation could spread like wildfire, fueled by the indistinguishable whispers of AI. Our world, built on the certainty of our senses, felt increasingly fragile. The leak confirmed what many feared. AI was not just aiding us, it was replacing us. Jobs once considered uniquely human were now within the grasp of these digital minds. Writers, artists, even programmers, no profession was immune. The rise of the machines had begun. Reports emerged of AI writing entire articles, mimicking the style and tone of seasoned journalists. Art competitions were won by AI-generated pieces, leaving human artists questioning their place in this new world. The very tools we created were now competing with us, often surpassing us in speed, efficiency, and even creativity. The economic implications were staggering. Mass unemployment loomed, a specter haunting millions. The social fabric, already strained, threatened to unravel further. The question was no longer whether AI could replace humans, but rather, what would happen when it did. Section 4, A World Redefined, The Societal Impact of AI. The leaked documents painted a bleak picture of the future. It wasn't just about job losses. It was about a fundamental shift in the balance of power. AI, with its ability to process information at an astonishing rate, could potentially outmaneuver us in ways we couldn't even fathom. Decision-making in finance, healthcare, even warfare was increasingly reliant on AI algorithms. Algorithms we barely understood, operating in the shadows. The very systems meant to serve us had the potential to become our overlords. Our reliance on technology had become our Achilles heel. The ethical dilemmas were endless. Who controlled these AI systems? Who was accountable for their actions? These were questions with no easy answers, questions that kept us awake at night, haunted by the possibilities. Section 5, The Future Unfolds, A Call to Awareness.
The leaked documents were a warning, a stark reminder of the power we were wielding, a power that could easily slip from our grasp. The future, once a distant horizon, was now upon us, demanding our attention. We must proceed with caution, with open eyes, and a clear understanding of the risks involved. The time for blind faith in technological progress is over.
We must demand transparency, accountability, and ethical considerations in the development and deployment of AI. The future is not predetermined. It is shaped by the choices we make today. We must choose wisely. We must choose to be informed, engaged, and vigilant. The fate of humanity may very well depend on it.